Hello everyone, welcome to the website Cash Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the tutorial for Manta network, how to claim the airdrop token Manta and how to stake them. Manta Pacific, they reached $900 million TVL recently. That's a big achievement. So congratulations to the Manta team. And so for the Manta network, they actually have two networks. One is Manta Pacific, which is the L2 on Ethereum, and another one is Manta Atlantic. That's L1 on Polkadot as a parallel chain. And so don't get confused, they have two different networks. And so with the same Manta token. Overall, the total supply of Manta is 1 billion, and they have a 2% minting rate start from token genesis. And the Manta token, you can use that for governance, for staking, and for coordinator delegation, and also network fees. And they have different kinds of utilities for the builder, for the token holder, and for the community member. And also they have the revenue generation plan. And so for the Manta on Manta Atlantic, they also have the network usage fee, and they also have the medium exchange and the governance rights. So all kinds of utilities for the Manta. And so this is overall the token allocation. As we can see, 6.5% of them, they are for the airdrop. And so for those of you, if you participate the Manta Pacific airdrop, and what you should do is just go to the Manta Pacific, and you probably should get the NFT and claim the airdrop. Here you should maximize all the NFT you want to claim. So all the NFT, you need to add Manta token to your wallet. So I already added. Now you can see the Manta MetaMask, and now you can claim them. Claiming the Manta just need a little bit fee. It's not very expensive. And then there's a button you can go to the their website to stake the Manta. So first of all, you should bridge that, because right now the Manta is on Ethereum, Manta Pacific, and so you should bridge some to Manta Atlantic. You need to connect to two different wallets. One is a JS wallet, another one is a MetaMask, and you need to switch to the Manta Pacific mainnet. Then it's going to show you the Manta you have, and then you can bridge it. And after you bridge, you can go to staking, and as you can see here, the minimum stake is more than 1500, I think, for most of them. And I don't have that many Manta tokens, so I would not be able to stake for now. So for those of you, if you don't want to stake, you can also send it to any Binance SEX, so exchange. Basically just send the Manta token directly from MetaMask, and send it to your exchange's address. And then right now the Manta token is around $2.5, so you can trade it there. Alright, so that's all about the Manta and how to claim the token and how to trade it and how to stake the Manta token. Please leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe the video, so you will not miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward for your question or comments. Bye. See you next time.